Hi, welcome everyone. What if I told you everything you've been told about skincare is backwards? What if the key to glowing, youthful skin isn't found in acids, peels, or inflammation, but in oxygen, light, and regenerating cell energy? Today, I'm sharing my Advanced Skin Rejuvenation Stack, a powerful, science-backed method that uses red and near-infrared light, a custom mist made with chlorophyll, a touch of methylene blue, and a potent blend of carrier oils to stimulate collagen, skin fibroblasts, and skin stem cells. Yes, skin stem cells. Here we have no damage, no harsh exfoliants, just real regeneration. If you're ready to glow without the burn, let's begin. Welcome to Back to Health Today. I'm Michelle Hamel, a trailblazing advanced wellness consultant, clinical skincare specialist, and former clinical microscopist who went beyond the scope to cover the root causes of aging and imbalance. I help people rebuild from within to the skin using light, oxygen, and cell-based renewal strategies that truly work. Here's my new skin philosophy, friends, and it's backed by science. To start, we've been told to strip our skin and inflame it and force it to renew, all in the name of beauty. But that cycle doesn't build healthy skin, it damages it. What if, instead of forcing our skin to heal, we support it? My philosophy is simple. We don't peel, we don't inflame, we oxygenate, energize, and restore mitochondrial function so our skin can rebuild itself. Now, let's bust this myth. Let's talk about one of the biggest myths in skincare, that you need constant exfoliation to get results. From gritty scrubs to high-dose acids and peels, the beauty industry teaches us that shedding layers of skin is the only way to reveal glow underneath. But overexfoliation actually damages our skin's protective barrier, disturbs the microbiome, and creates chronic inflammation, the very thing we're trying to fight. Inflamed skin ages faster, stripped skin becomes reactive, and repeated damage never builds resilience. You wouldn't take a delicate fabric and rub it with sandpaper to make it stronger, but that's exactly what we've been taught to do to our skin. What builds radiant skin is energy, oxygen, and repair. When you restore mitochondrial health and redox balance, your skin regenerates from within, gently, sustainably, and intelligently. Redox just means your cells know how to clean up damage and keep things running smoothly, like your skin's internal housekeeping. That's the foundation of this stack. We're not attacking your skin, we're activating it. Here's a case in point. Just so you know, I'm not speaking from theory. I followed years ago what the skincare industry told us to do. I used a 30% glycolic acid peel once a week for 6 straight weeks. That's what was recommended, and at first my skin looked smooth, but underneath it was inflamed, stripped, and reactive. My barrier was wrecked. It took time, education, and clinical experience to understand what truly heals skin, and this trailblazing regenerative stack was born from that journey. I went from burning off layers to rebuilding the foundation. Now my skin is stronger and more luminous than ever because I stopped attacking it and started supporting it by supporting my skin's mitochondria. Now let's dive into the biology of radiant skin. Our skin's glow is powered by mitochondria, the tiny energy factories in our cells that produce ATP, fuel we need for cell regeneration. A 2018 paper in Redox Biology confirmed that mitochondrial dysfunction is a major driver in visible skin aging. When redox balance is restored, studies show collagen production, elastin, and wound healing all improve. Redox, again, just means your cells know how to clean up damage. That's why this protocol supports your mitochondria at every step. Let's explore further. Step 1, the mixture, also known as the mixture, chlorophyll plus methylene blue. I make an advanced bioenergetic mist that's ultralight, deeply oxygenating, and fully photoactivating. It's designed to awaken your skin's cellular intelligence. It stores safely for 7 days in the fridge with no preservatives. This isn't just hydration. This advanced skin mix triggers the biological processes that create fresh, healthy skin by supporting dermal stem cell activation, boosting collagen and elastin synthesis, targeting fibroblast function, and laying the groundwork for true regeneration. Here's my bioenergetic skin mist. 80 ml distilled or filtered water, 15 liquid chlorophyll, 5 vegetable glycerin, optional, 1 drop of 1% pharmaceutical-grade methylene blue. That's all you need. Too much may be drying, and this tiny dose is enough to energize your skin without overstimulation. Wait till you hear the rest of this information. It's so fantastic. Why did we add chlorophyll to this mist? Chlorophyll isn't just for smoothies, my friends. It's a potent skin rejuvenator. Studies show that chlorophyll, a stabilized form of chlorophyll, stimulates fibroblast activity, enhances collagen and elastin synthesis, and accelerates wound healing, especially when combined with red and near-infrared light. A 2021 study published in Pharmaceuticals demonstrated that chlorophyll significantly increased dermal stem cell proliferation and supported the regeneration of the extracellular matrix by reducing oxidative damage and enhancing mitochondrial function. By adding chlorophyll to the mist, we're boosting skin energy, oxygen delivery, and cellular regeneration in perfect synergy with methylene blue and light. It's one more way we speak the skin's natural language of repair. Why are we adding a touch of methylene blue? This is important information. Listen up, guys. MB isn't just a dye. It's a mitochondrial and cellular powerhouse. A landmark scientific report study showed methylene blue reversed signs of aging in human skin fibroblast, including cells from children with Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome. Another study found MB outperformed retinol, increasing collagen, elastin, and hydration without irritation. Methylene blue reduces UVB-induced DNA damage, improves cell survival under oxidative stress, and protects skin defenses. And here's the poetic part. When used in modest topical amounts, MB behaves almost like a retina for the skin, absorbing red and near-infrared light, converting it into usable energy and guiding cell renewal, all without causing inflammation. Remember, it's not about peeling. It's about powering your skin's intelligence. Step 2, red and near-infrared light therapy. After misting, I sit in front of my Huga red and near-infrared light panel for 10 to 15 minutes. Red light at 616 nanometers stimulates collagen and repair. Near-infrared light at 850 nanometers penetrates deeper and boosts mitochondrial energy. A 2014 review confirmed this combo improves tone, elasticity, and wound healing without damaging tissue. Why do we mist before the light? Because the mist lets methylene blue and chlorophyll penetrate where they can be photoactivated by red near-infrared light, a phenomenon called photodynamic synergy. How often is it best to use this remarkable skin strategy? Well, 3 to 4 times per week is ideal, but if your skin barrier is compromised, start slow, once or twice a week, and build gradually. Step 3, these beautiful carrier oils, borage oil plus squalene. After the light, I apply a blend of carrier oils that nourish and restore. Borage oil, rich in GLA, calms inflammation and improves elasticity. Squalane, a skin-identical lipid, boosts hydration and collagen expression. These oils don't just moisturize, they rebuild the lipid layer and drive nutrients deeper into the skin. Step 4, shea butter to seal. To finish, I apply a thin layer of shea butter, especially at night or during dry weather. Shea is rich in triterpenes and antioxidants that have been shown to support collagen and elastin synthesis, guard against environmental stress, reduce transepidermal water loss. It locks in nourishment and protects all the work you just did. Let's recap why this stack works so well. This isn't forced exfoliation. It's regeneration through bioenergetics. The mist oxygenates and energizes. The light activates deep mitochondrial healing. The borage and squalane nourish and restore. The shea butter seals and protects. They support collagen and elastin formation. Stimulate fibroblasts, activate skin stem cells, and both rejuvenate and regenerate your skin. That's why this stack works so well. It's not damage and try to recover. It's support and cellular awakening. Here's some final thoughts. You don't need to strip your skin raw to see results. When you support mitochondrial energy and oxygen flow, your skin regenerates from the inside out. This isn't a trend, it's a new skin philosophy. All clinical studies mentioned, including those concerning methylene blue, chlorophyll, red near-infrared light, and regenerative oils, are linked in the show notes. To go deeper into the Hamel method, my root cause approach to skin and system repair, visit www.backtohealthtoday.com and use code longevity12 to save on Huga red light panels, my personal favorite. If this trailblazing episode spoke to you, please subscribe, leave a review, and share it with someone ready to stop damaging their skin and start rebuilding it. For more advanced skin strategies and advanced wellness information, let's keep going back to health together. And by the way, you don't want to miss the next episode